everybody. So we're over here at my buddy Steve Johnson's house with these beautiful ADS custom 2.0 remote reservoirs that have dampening clickers on them. We're gonna throw these bad boys in. So this should apply to any Jeep out there or anybody with a shock that isn't a coilover. And we'll show you how to take them out and put in the new ones. Stay tuned. First off, jack up the Jeep, cut this to the front. So now what we're trying to do is make sure that the bracket's going to be wide enough. Perfect.
Yeah, I mean, you're talking less, less than.
So what he's doing is just straightening up the bracket. It's a little bit bent. So now what we're trying to do is find the orientation for the reservoir so that it doesn't hit the sway bar or hit anything else. So you put in the top bolts. You don't want to snug anything. You just get them tight.
Well, it's because there is a little bit of adjustment here in case we need to move it to help us get this in.
Just watch your fingers getting in there, you know?
I will.
And then you're nervous.
A little more. I want to get above it.
And drop it in.
And drop it in, yeah. There we go. Actually, I went wider.
So sometimes things don't go as planned, and we have to grind a little bit of the misalignment spacer off. It is a little bit fatter than the bracket, and on the old shock it was a bushing, a rubber bushing. So to get the bottom to fit, we're just gonna knock off a little bit. Down still. Just needs a little bit of massaging.
It's a good one.
Nice.
Here, you get it?
Yep. So they're in. It raised it about a ½ inch, you said? And they look good though. So we'll just have to be cautious the first few times when you're in the big rock boulders.
Knock that fancy.
Yeah, take those knobs off. So it still has a little bit of a turn or lean. So now you can tighten them up for like road driving. Just that long. Now this is the max dampening. So we're all wrapped up, out with the old. These ended up being half the weight of the new ones, by the way. But that took about, what, 30 minutes, 35 minutes? We did have to, the brackets were a little bit dinged up and bent, and we had to spread them out a little bit. But aside from that, a fairly simple install, and feels way, way better. Right, Steve?
Way better. Way, way better.